Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Rodriguez Pamasgari Channel, a faith healer, also matarder. So ngayong hapon, natatagan natin ang sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a weekly gabay for the month of December 18 hanggang December 24 for the sign of Virgo. So Virgo, welcome sa my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, at spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanino kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Virgo signs ang ating mahagilap? So guys, this reading is general reading lamang. Hindi lahat makaka-resonate, kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and the notification bell for more videos update. And of course, maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads na way pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal. Siksik, liglig, nag-uumapaw na biyayang manong balik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages advice sa iyo ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Virgo? So let's see and watch this. Ano kaya kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Virgo signs ang ating mga gilap? So guys, eto na tunghayan natin yan. Angel spirit, please give me information po. Ayan taray, the wheel of fortune. Oh, this is something that destiny to happen. No, ngayong linggong to maaaring magkaroon ka ng mga biyaya. No, there is something a good fortune for you. This is something a blessing for you. No, there is a good karma coming in for you. And this is a chariot card. Parating talaga. 'Di ba? May parating talagang biyaya. May parating talaga magandang eksena. And there's a Nine of Wands for slowly but surely. No, sinasabi nito mabagal man pero sinisigurado mapapasayo. And this is something the Nine of Wands. See, I told you, this is something slowly but surely. Mabagal talaga, pero kalmado dahil ito ay talaga nakalaan para sa iyo. This is something that will represent a fortune na kapalaran. Talaga nakatadhana talaga sa iyo. Additional messages. So this is the Knight of Swords with a success driven. Talaga magsasuccess ka at the end of the time. Diba? May tagumpay talaga. Additional messages. So this is a judgment for a wake-up call. Na pinapaalalahanan ka na you need to pay attention sa kung ano man yung nangyayari sa iyo. Sa paligid mo. No? May mga bagay dito na talaga nakalathala, talaga nakatadhana. Kailangan mo lang talagang galingan. So let's see what is the wheel of fortune. Represent, this is the Page of Swords. There is a spying looking, watching at you. Now, may taong sumusubaybay at gumagabay sa dito. There is something and get more information and being curiosity. Kailangan marunong kang lakasan ng pakiramdam. At kailangan mo may mga bagay na matutunan. No? So, let's see what is the chariot card. And because they represent with the Three of Swords. Okay. There is a lot of insecure. Na maraming lalapit sa iyo no na inggitera, maraming taong lalapit sa iyo na maaaring nagbibigay negatibo, kaya kailangan marunong kang pakawalan 'yan, no? Kailangan marunong kang dumistansya, no? And the Knight of Wands represent the Knight of Cups with a wish fulfillment. So talaga may pagtupad sa pangarap mo talaga. Na may mga bagay na may isa sa katuparan ka dito. So the Knight of Wands represent the Knight of Swords. There's a success driven. Because there's something anxiety, sleepless night. So may mga bagay dito na maaaring magtagumpay ka, no? Pero mabagal kasi masyado magiging tension to no? Maaaring nag-i-struggles ka dito by your fear and of course your anxieties, no? Natatakot ka, maraming tumatakbo sa isipan mo, nag-overthink ka. Ayun yung nakikita ko dito. Dahil hindi mo agad makuha-kuha to isang bagay na to, gumaga na natatakot ka na hindi mo maisa katuparan. Ganon. May hinihintay kang papers or something, documents. Ganon. Additional messages with the Knight of Swords. Represent with the Three of Wands. See, I told you, waiting for a soul to waiting for a ship. Ito na hinihintay mo. Parating na talaga. Mawawala na yung worries mo dito. Mawawala na yung stress mo. The Judgment represent what? There's a Four of Wands. The Four of Pentacles. Protect your power, protect your energy, saving money. No, kumbaga there's something pay attention. Kailangan mo mag-pay attention sa mga kagastusan mo, sa mga luho mo. Iwasan mo muna yung walang katuturang bagay. For the Wheel of Fortune and the Page of Swords represent the Seven of Wands. Now, there's a something protections that you are being protected. Now, talaga nakatadhana talaga na maganap to. May mga bagay na malalaman ka sa takdang panahon. May mga bagay na malalaman ka. At sinasabi dito na maaari pong protection ng tong bagay na to ay para sa'yo talaga. Hindi to maaagaw, hindi to makukuha ni naman. Talaga nakalaan na talaga para sa'yo. And of course, the chart card is the Three of Swords. There's a star card for healing and hope, no? There's something unexpected, pero yung mga taong nai-insecure sa naiigit sa'yo, wala silang magagawa. Dahil nakapabor na talaga na nakalathalang maibigay sa ito. This is something a favorable outcome talaga, or something na maaaring pumabor sa'yo sa situation mo. And because there's a Knight of Wands and because the Knight of Cups, referencing the Eight of Swords, the Eight of Cups, something like letting go. No, makakalaya ka na sa worries, sa mga pagod, paghihirap mo, ano ko, sakripisyo mo, maaari makalaya ka na, maaari magtupad to ng mga pangarap mo. So, let's see what is the Knight of Wands and because the Knight of Swords. Represent the Knight of Pentacles. So, this is something security and practicality. Insecure mo yung sarili mo. Dapat alam mo kung paano mo lalaroin yung baraha mo, ha? Alam mo dapat paano mo lalaroin yung sarili mo dito. Iwasan mo na yung yung ma-stress at ma-depress dyan sa mga bagay-bagay. Hayaan mo siya mag-unfold, no? Hayaan mo siya makuha ng kusa. Huwag mong pilitin. Stop controlling a situation, no? So, let's see what is additional messages with the Knight of Swords and the Three of Wands. Represent the Hangman. See, there's something delays and cancellation, and there's something a true perspective. Baguhin mo na yung pananaw mo dito. Don't expect too much. Sa madaling salita, huwag ka nag-expect ng mga bagay na makakaranas ka ng disappointment, no? So, let's see what is the judgment across the Four of Pentacles. Represent what? The Queen of Cups, something healing. Magkakaroon ka na ng healing dito, guys. No, I think healing to for financial loss. No, parang pinapaalalahanan ka na pangalagaan mo kung ano man yung mga bagay na meron ka. Huwag ka masyadong gastador, huwag ka masyadong magastos, huwag ka masyadong maluho. Magplano ka kung paano mo papalawigin, palalakihin yung pera mo or yung mga pinaghirapan mo. What is the outcome? Ang pinaka-outcome is the Page of Cups to something intuitions, no? There's a something in intuition or inner voice dito, no? Maaring kumaga, binibigyan ka ng something, ambitions or creativities for your ideas na makapag-build ka ng mga bagong mga ideas or plano, ganon. And there's the full card for a leap of faith. No? Kumbaga magtiwala ka. This is something a new beginning coming in for you. At the same time, this is something a Queen of Swords, a bigger picture. Dapat tinitingnan mo both sides of situation. Hindi ka dapat one-sided lang. Titignan mo yung possibilities, at the same time, titignan mo yung magiging outcome. I think marang binibigyan ka dito ng a bigger picture na parang makita mo 5 years, 10 years from now kung ano yung situation mo. Ganun dapat kang mag-create ng mga magagandang opportunity for your own. No? Parang, kumbaga, kailangan marunong kang mag-isip na ano mangyayari sa akin for the near future, ganito, ganyan. Kailangan magkaroon ka ng something idea. Kung ano ba talaga gusto mo? Ano yung life purpose mo? Ganon. Desires into reality. Additional messages, no? About naman tayo sa finances and career. So, this is something, the Four of Wands, something celebration. Unti-unti ka na makaranas ng celebration dito pagdating sa business. Business, and of course, business venture or something, negosyo, trabaho, hanap buhay. And this is something that to with the partnership. Oh, that is, kumbaga magkakaroon ka ng celebration pagdating sa partnership, pagdating sa business. And of course, this is something the Eight of Swords. Mag-ingat ka lang ha. There's a lot of negativities around you. And of course, pagdating sa trabaho, talaga maraming inggitera. Mag-ingat ka sa pakikipag-partnership. Additional messages pagdating sa love life. There's a Death Tower moment for a major changes. Na malaking magbabago ang magaganap sa inyong pagsasama. There's some major changes and this is something that is of a winner breakthrough. Magtatagumpay kayo. Nasa larangan ng pag-ibig, maaring makamtan mo na kung sino talaga yung para sa'yo. There's a Five of Swords with a reverse, so this is something verified. Iwasan mong yung parang magpa-first move. Ha? Kasi parang pinapakita dito na ikaw yung nagmamahal. Kaya kailangan, ikaw dapat yung minamahal, hindi ikaw yung nagmamahal lang. Na ang nangyayari kasi dito, parang inaabuso ka. Kasi masyado kang generous, and kind, and support, lovable, gano'n. Kailangan magkaroon ka ng balance. Now, discipline and respect. Additional messages pagdating sa health. Pagdating sa health, nag-represent with the King of Swords. This is something a mental clarity. Na magkakaroon ka na maliwanag na utak dito. Ibig sabihin, mawawala na yung overthinking, stress mo. And this is something that also there's a decision that you need to make. Kailangan mo magdesisyon. No, kung alam mong hindi ka hindi ka aware doon, hindi ka sigurado doon, pag-isipan mo muna mabuti. No, kailangan mas maliwanag yung magiging decision mo. Ganon. And of course, let's see what is the synchronicities. What is the synchronicities represent what? Represent with a sister. Oh, meron ka ditong kapatid na babae, ha? And there's a river, no? Maaring pares kayo ng dinaranas, pares kayo ng nangyayari sa buhay nyo. And because this is something a joy, magiging maligaya kayo, and there's a intune, maaring magtulungan kayo, or may there's a partnership here, na maaring pares kayo ng tinatahak sa pag-ibig. Let's see what is the magical fairy messages represent what? Magical fairy messages represent what? Trouble. There's a lot of trouble coming in for you guys. Represent vegetarian. So, ibig sabihin dito, mas kailangan niya fruit and vegetable dito, guys, ha? And kasi sinasabi dito, there's something healing and healed. No? Kung maghihilumin lahat, pagagalingin lahat, no? Unti-unti na magkakaroon ka na ng healing dito, guys, in all aspects of your life. No? Magkakaroon ka na ng mga kagalingan dyan. So, let's see what is the yin and yang oracle card. For yin and yang oracle card, represent what? Represent a surrender, release. Kailangan mo nang pakawalan na, alisin. Yung mga bad habits, and of course, yung mga nakasanayan nyo, kasi naabuso ka, nasisense ko something abuso. And there's a trust the timing. So see, talaga nakalaan talaga yung para sa'yo talaga. Waiting ka na lang talaga. And this is something avoidance. O, umiwas ka na. No, umiwas ka na sa mga bagay o tao sa sitwasyon mo na inabuso ka. Maraming abusado talaga, masisense ko, ha? Ang dami ka ng beses na abuso. Let's see what is the romance angels represent what? And there's an intimacy pagdating sa love life, no? And because this is something a single parent. O some of you guys are single parent daw dito. And because there's a something a sign of for love. Di ba? Mayroon talagang para sa'yo talaga. Maghintay ka lang. No, huwag ka magmadali. So let's see what is Archangel Michael messages. Let's see what is Archangel Michael messages. Believe and guarded and protected. So see, pangalagaan at protection o ginagabayan ka ng ating angel spirit. And this is something, your inner guidance is really trustworthy. Now see, yung mga gabay mo yung mapagkakatiwalaan mo naman daw. Ooh. So let's see what is the chakra messages. For the chakra messages, represent what? For the chakra messages, represent expansion. Magkakaroon ka ng expansion dito, guys. And there is a victim. Maaring biktima ka talaga, no? Ng mga inggitera, ng mga mapang-abuso, ganon, trickery, mapanlinlang. And there is a yoga. Kailangan mo talaga ng exercise, no? Stretching, and there's a spiritual teacher. Kailangan mo ng albularyo dito or manggagamot, ha? Kasi lapitin ka talaga ng budol. Ganon. Let's see what is the Monsology. One more card, please. Okay, so they represent with have faith in your dream. So kailangan mo magtiwala sa pangarap mo. And of course, this is something surrender to the divine. So, kailangan mo i-surrender lahat ng mga bagay-bagay na hindi mo kontrolado. And this is something a win-win outcome for ka. So, ipapanalo mo talagang eksena na to. Doon pa lang sa unang lumabas na Wheel of Fortune, talagang panalo ka na. And this is something it's time to take an action. Nasa sa'yo na lang yan, kasi ang swerte nandito na. Kailangan mo na lang kumilos. So, let's see what is the angel's answer. Represent what? Represent what with the angel's answer? One more card, please. Not the right time. So, hindi pa sa ngayon. No, hindi pa napapanahon and in the near future. See? Not the right time in the near future. At the same time, there's something meditation and bring answers. So, see? Malalaman mo lahat ng kasagutan na yan. Magdasal ka. Mag-devotion ka. For Archangel Raphael messages. Inner authority. See? Kumbaga, ikaw yung makakagawa ng bagay na makakatulong sa'yo. Na lahat ng gabay mo nasa likod mo lang. Alam mo kung paano mo susolusyonan eh. What is the energy represent what? Financial constraint. Isa to sa nai-stress ka kasi nagigipit ka or nahihirapan ka for finances. And there is something kirkirpiyan. Kailangan mo ng fruit and vegetable dito, ha? And because this is something the word, nababaguhin talaga yung mundo mo. There is something success and trouble, guys. And this is something journey. Talagang, di ba? Talagang nasa life purpose mo to. Nakalaan talagang mapagdaanan mo lahat ng bagay na yan. Bago mo makita ang liwanag at bago mo matapos lahat ng eksena na yon. Now, let's see what is additional messages with an angel spirit. Angel spirit, please give me information po. And there is a fear. Alisin mo yung takot at pangamba mo, ha? And this is something is discipline. So, kailangan mo ng disiplina. And there's doubt. Alisin mo yung takot at pangamba talaga. Fear, takot, doubt, pangamba. Alisin mo dapat yan. Kasi hindi mo masasagot lahat ng katanungan mo sa sarili mo o sa hinaharap mo kung may mga mag-aalinlangan ka. For romance angels represent what? Soulmate, no? Maaring nakalaan talaga yung soulmate connection for you. And there's a passion. Kung itong soulmate mo ay dumating na, ipakita mo talaga yung tunay na pag-ibig mo. Yung parang, yung wagas na magmahaganan. Yung wagas ka magmahal, mag-alaga, diba? Pero kailangan balance, ha? This is something discipline and respect pa din. Additional messages with an angel spirit. There is an evolution. Baguhin mo na yung sistema, cycle mo, para hindi na maulit yung nangyari sa'yo from the past, ha? Kumbaga, matuto ka na sa mga naranasan mo. And there's a survival. So, see, nakasurvive ka sa lahat ng mga bagay na yan. Or makakasurvive ka, no? So, let's see what is additional messages with an angel spirit. Baby steps. So, ibig sabihin dito, there's a something action and follow your intuition. Marunong ka makinig sa iyong mga gabay. Dahil may mga bagay dyan na ibinibigay sa'yo, kailangan mong kumilos, kailangan mo lakas ang loob mo. At may mga bagay dyan na galingan mo daw. Diba? Para magtagumpay ka. And there's a wait. Marunong ka maghintay. Kasi may mga bagay na hindi pa napapanahon, pero kailangan mo ng kumilos. Para nang sa ganun, nandun ka na sa, mapunta ka na sa, kumbaga step, para unti-unti ka nang magtagumpay, no? For Jesus' loving quote said, pray always. See, magdasal ka raw palagi. No? Kumbaga, baka nakakalimutan mo nagdasal dahil, kumbaga, baka nawawalan ka na ng pagtitiwala at paniniwala sa taas dahil sa mga nangyari sa'yo. Ngayon, kumbaga, buksan mo ulit ang isip mo at puso mo na magtiwala sa inilaan para sa'yo. Magdasal ka. For an angel's number represent what? For an angel's number represent what? 555 for clarity, a great transformation and a major changes. You are a victim of circumstances, rather you are beneficiary of it. If the wearing cases, if life would pretty dull, you will set yourself up for success into long run. If you are willing to adapt to this ship, everything is working out for the best at long last. You are accomplishing what you set out to do. Everything will work out perfectly at the end. So see, magtatagumpay ka dito. Kailangan mo lang magtiwala at maniwala na at lahat ng mga bagay sa paligid mo magliliwanag. Lilinawin niya lahat ng mga bagay kung ano talaga yung purpose mo, ano man yung mga bagay na inahain sa'yo is an opportunity, no? May mga bagay lang talaga na kailangan marunong kang, kumbaga, tingnan mo yung hinahanap or something moving forward. Not, wag ka magstay sa isang situation. Kailangan, tingnan mo yung sarili mo, makaka-recover ka for this, makaka-recover ka for that. Kumbaga, wag ka magstay dyan sa negativities. Napakawalan mo. So, let's see, additional messages for the messages of life. Kasi, there is something, a wheel of fortune na inilathala dito. Pero masyadong mabigat ata yun sa situation mo ngayon. No, parang napakabigat talaga. And this is something beyond limitation. Today, I exceed my own expectation. I open my consciousness to the infinite. There are no limitation. There is no end. Everything is unfolding and continuous now. Therefore, I open my thoughts towards a void and horizon. I look beyond my perception of reality. Beyond all barriers created my own develops and fears. I am now open to the new possibilities. So see, kung magabigyan mo yung sarili mo sa mga bagay na, or buksan mo yung utak, isip mo, na may mga bagay na ini-expect ka pero hindi magaganap. No? Kailangan mong magtiwala na there's something unexpected moment na kaya nangyayari yun, it's a God purpose. At the same time, stand tall and strong. No? Today, I choose to remain calm, to remain positive. I face all my challenges with strength and courage. I will not be denied or turn away. I do not allow myself to be carried away from negative thoughts. I stand tall and strong and live each moment in joy and peace, living my future in God's hands, believing in life because life believing me. So see, kumaga pinapalakas ka talaga dito. Sa lahat ng karanasan at pinagdaanan mo, pinapatibay ka dito dahil yung lahat ng mga naranasan mong sakit, yung sakit na yan magsisilbing kalakasan yan at ang kalakasan na yan magsisilbing gantimpala para magtagumpay ka sa mga susunod na eksena. So guys, this is a weekly gabay for the month of December 18 hanggang December 24 for the sign of Virgo. So Virgo, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So once again, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi at makaka-resonate kung hindi lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo, and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos update. And because maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pag-support sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads, saway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal siksik, liglig nag-uumapaw na biyayang manong balik sa inyo. At maraming salamat po and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!